What is sign and sing? What we are doing is we're signing the lyrics. Sometimes it's a bit slower and sometimes it's a bit rappy, and we all sign and sing away. Hi, my name's Bunny and I am a library assistant here at Mount Albert Library. You know, I think it was when I went to a disability group, they were signing the national anthem. That's when I got the idea. Should we start off introduce ourselves? Yeah. You would see everyone spell their name, but then everyone has a sign name. Star, Lorraine, Christina, Catherine, John, Cynthia. Usually we have a karakia and then talk about the theme, because there's usually something going on. A story about Machado.
Well, I kind of love it actually. The vibe, welcoming.
This is my first time here today. The signing and singing, I thought that was such a fun way to learn sign language. I think it was good today to have other people come and join us and see that deaf people enjoy music as well.
I do enjoy the friendship, the community feel, and doing something fun together. And you know, the group, they love to see children learning to sign and adults giving it a go. So it's wonderful to see people just really just throw themselves into it.
I think we need more things like that in libraries, and it creates such an inclusive environment for deaf people, which is really important.